Introducing subscriptions in VingCard eStore. Sign up for regular deliveries by following these simple steps. Click on a product with subscription available. Click on Buy Now and subscribe. Choose your preferred frequency. Use Frequency Calculator to estimate your keycard usage and find the right fit for your property. Select desired quantity and click on Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout as usual. Now that your subscription order has been placed, you can review the details here. Consult your active subscriptions under My Account. Pause, cancel, and resume subscriptions at any time. Modify frequency and quantity, view who created each subscription, and scroll down to review all orders linked to this subscription and any changes made. Manage all subscriptions for your property with ease. All active, paused, and canceled subscriptions will appear here. Experience it yourself at eStore.vingcard.com/US.